Chuck Schumer is on the hot seat. The top Senate Democrat finds himself in the middle of a scandal with unthinkable consequences. That's because he said 5 words that could land him in prison. The Supreme Court recently heard oral arguments over a challenge to Louisiana law to protect women from the medical risks of dangerous abortion procedures. This legislation required abortion providers to obtain hospital-admitting privileges which abortion mills do not require because health is not their chief concern. Pro-life activists know this legislation will save the lives of innocent babies as well as women, and pro-abortion fanatics worry that this will put them out of business. Schumer rallied abortion zealots outside the Supreme Court on the day arguments began, but Schumer's tirade veered into dangerous and possibly criminal territory when Schumer threatened Justices Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh by ranting, "And you will pay the price," if they ruled in favor of defending the unborn.
I want to tell you, Gorsuch, I want to tell you, Kavanaugh, you have released the whirlwind, and you will pay the price.
Schumer tried to walk back his alleged threats by joking that was just how people from Brooklyn talk, but former United States Attorney Guy Lewis was not laughing. Appearing on Fox News, Lewis said Schumer's words may very well be criminal in that he's prosecuted offenders for similar threats.
As a young prosecutor down here in Miami, I actually put somebody in jail for about 3 years, if I recall correctly, under a similar circumstance where they had threatened a federal judge that had a case pending before her. And so, listen, I don't think this is just bad judgments. This may very well be criminal.
Schumer hopes his phony apology will get him off the hook, but Trump supporters know if a Republican said this about liberal Supreme Court justices, a Democrat administration would have the Department of Justice breathing down their neck. Will equal justice apply in this case? If you are sick and tired of all the fake news from the so-called mainstream media and want real news that you can trust, please hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel.